Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to share with you some happy mail that I received from Louise, and she's over in the UK. This is my first international swap, so this is really exciting for me. So she had her package wrapped in this really pretty wrapping paper. I think it's super cute, definitely gonna be saving that. And everything came inside this really pretty gold polka dot. So this is how everything was packaged once I opened the box. And look at all this cuteness. I see some really cute packaging. So I haven't opened anything yet, so I'm really excited to just dig in and see what she made. The first thing I pulled out, of course, was the letter, and I did read this off camera. I love this cute little envelope. I also love how everything was like a mermaid and unicorn theme. Super cute. How adorable is this die set? That is so cute. I love how she packaged this. So inside this little package, it looks like we have some goodies. So she sent me these cute little paper clips. And in this one, look how cute she decorated this. That's a really adorable die. Oh my goodness, these are super cute. She sent me these adhesive pearls, and I do not have any pearls in these colors. I might have it in this color, but definitely not these two. Those are really pretty. She sent over some more craft stickers of these cute little unicorns. This is super cute. Aww. She sent me these die cutted out mermaids, and this is just too adorable. I really love this bag topper. That's cute. Ooh, so we have a lot of crinkle paper. Let's go ahead and open this next. Something in here smells really good, and I don't know what it is. So she had, she sent me these cute little sticky notes. This one has some unicorns on it. And she also sent over some washi tape. Ooh, these are really pretty. Oops. So let's get inside this. This is a really cute little box. I wonder if this is a die. That's really cute. She sent me some really cute bows. Let me do a little close-up of these. These are really pretty. I do not have anything like this, so I'm really excited about that. Oh, this is like a metal bow. Super cute. She sent more washi tape. That's really cute. She has the cutest little packaging in here. She stuffed it in here. Let's see what we have. Ooh, we have a bunch of journaling cards. And again, I don't have anything like this. This is super cute. Ooh. They are double-sided. In this little bag, she shared a bunch of little ephemera pieces. These were just the most precious things. A flower, this adorable little narwhal. Ooh, it looks like she hand-pieced all of this. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Okay, this is super cute. These are so unique. I have not seen any of these. That's really cute. And I know it takes a lot of time to paper piece such little small details, and look at that. This is adorable. Thanks so much, girl. We got this cute little envelope. This right here. A little flamingo. This cute little rose. This is cute, a little roller coaster. Too adorable. And I think there's one more in here. Yeah. So we got a little envelope there. Let's get into this one right here. Ooh. We got a peel off mask. This is gonna be fun to try out. And she also sent over some really pretty paper that I do not have. Really colorful. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. That is so cute. So we got that, and in here we have a cute little macaroon with a mermaid charm, mermaid tail charm. Ooh, there's a lot of cute little glitters in here. I'm gonna move this to the side. So this is some alphabet stickers and these really fun colors. Here is her box that she made me. And I love the paper she used. Everything is decorated out so cute. Look at that little sticker there. Let's give you a full 360. Look how adorable that cat is. So in here we have more crinkle paper. Ooh, this is really cute. We have a unicorn charm and it has this little puffball on there. So here is the box all opened up. She decorated everything so cute. And here we have some die cuts of these really pretty butterflies, and this is from one of my favorite collections ever. So I'm happy to receive some of those. And here we got some really adorable ephemera pieces. That is really cute. Let's put everything back in there. And then here's the inside of that. She has the cutest ephemera. I'm obsessed with this swan and this little cat. And we got some paper clips. Ooh, I love this pastel color. That's really pretty. And in this last pocket here, let me share with you how she decorated the box. And we have some more cute little die cuts, which are super cute. That is the last thing I have to share. How cute was this mail? Please give Louise a follow. I will leave her Instagram down below. That way you guys can check her out. She is amazing. But yeah, if you guys made it till the end of this video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.